How to make a minimum of $20 to $100 on a daily basis on trading leaks. I'm not here to make claims of something I haven't achieved or something I haven't witnessed the people around me achieve within a very short period of time. If you stay till the end of this video, you are going to discover something really interesting which Trading Leaks has for you. So make sure you don't skip any parts of this video and make sure you stay till the very end. And also toward the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing how you can be part of our Trading Leaks family, where we share other strategies as well as live sessions where we trade together. So Trading Leaks is the world's first fantasy gaming platform that allows you to play to earn. I have made a video on what Trading Leaks is all about and how you can use it to make money for yourself. So you can find the video from this pop-up. A few weeks ago, I introduced my friend Joe to Trading Leaks and a couple of other people, and so far they have been able to achieve mind-blowing results within a very short period of time. So Joe started Trading Leaks with just $10, and so far Joe has made a withdrawal that is above $400 from Trading Leaks. And guess what? Joe did not keep this information to himself alone. Joe also spread this information to his friends, to even people that don't know anything about cryptocurrencies, and they have been achieving great and mind-blowing results. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few strategies that is going to help you make $20 to $100 on a daily basis on Trading Leaks. So if you don't know anything about Trading Leaks or how to navigate through the platform, make sure you go and watch the video I referred earlier on to get started. So here are the few strategies. Number one, have a trading plan, right? Go through the platform, get yourself familiarized with the platform, and if you don't want to risk anything, good enough, Trading Leaks has some free games, right? If you go through the video I made or the video I referred earlier on, you are going to find out that there are some games that you don't even need to involve your money. Just go there, play the game, get yourself acquainted with Trading Leaks, so that you can come up with a sustainable plan that will help you make lots of money on a consistent basis. Number two, have a target. Give yourself a daily target. Yes, giving yourself a daily target doesn't mean that you may not do below or probably above. Once you've given yourself a target, let's say your target is to make $20 on a daily basis, or even $10, or even $100 or $200, whatever the amount is. Once you're able to hit your target, it's time to just exit the market and get yourself busy with something else. So go and enjoy your money, right? Because if you want to probably do more, you might get to a point where you lose back to back. The fact that we use maybe just $1 to enter some trades on Trading Leaks doesn't mean you should be over trading. So the third one on the list is you must not enter every single game. There are some times that you just need to observe the market, right? There are some times that you just need to study the price movements of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana on Trading Leaks, and you don't even have to do anything, just observe the market. And if you are not comfortable or if you are not convinced, you can just close it and probably do something else, then you come back. Also, when there is so much uncertainty, because the way I say Trading Leaks, I mean most of the times the price outcome could be predictable, right? When it looks like it's not really predictable and you are not really comfortable, you don't have to stress it. There's this mantra in the crypto space that says sometimes not trading is the best trade, right? Sometimes you don't necessarily have to trade, because if you don't trade, you have nothing to lose and you have nothing to gain, basically. But having preserved your capital for another day is actually a good thing, right? The full one on the list is have your own strategy, right? What works for me might probably not work for you. What is working for another person might probably not work for you, and what is working for you might probably not work for me. So make sure you are so acquainted with the platform such that you can come up with your strategy and stick to it, and trust me, you are going to be achieving a mind-blowing results. Number 5, always enter your trades a few seconds before the game starts, right? When you enter, let's say maybe 20 to 10 seconds before the game starts, you could probably be able to determine where next the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana is going to be in the next 2 minutes. With this, you are going to be able to have some win rates. This is something that is really prevalent on the Trading Leaks platform. I mean, people mostly wait for the last few seconds before they jump on a particular game, and with this, too many people get to win a particular game, and because of that, they end up with peanuts. So for example, intraday game is $1 per game, right? And if everybody are contributing $1, and at the end of the all the winners are ending up with, let's say, $1.20, guess what? Your profit is just 20 cents. Number 6, risk taking. Sometimes you really have to take a serious risk to be able to end up with a reasonable amount of money, right? You know, most of the times games are predictable, and the fact that game is predictable, many people troop in to that particular game, and because of too many people involved or too many people that has made the same choice, people are now ending up with a little profit at the end of the day. When you come across something like this, I would advise you to just take the risk, right? You can just risk your $1, and there's what we call risk to reward ratio, right? If you say, okay, I might still choose what everybody are choosing and end up losing this game, right? How about I just risk $1 to a particular choice many people are not really taking, right? So let's say you are just the only person that is making a particular choice, and if you are the only person and the price pool involved in that particular game is like $16 or probably $19, guess what? If that turns out to be the last price or price range of a particular cryptocurrency in 2 minutes time, you are going to be the one that will go home with that huge amount of money, which this particular strategy is what makes Trading Leaks so interesting. And taking risks like this for a higher reward is actually one of the best means where you could possibly double your money on Trading Leaks. I kid you not. So while using the Trading Leaks platform, or while trading generally, like anything that concerns financial markets, always bear this at the back of your mind that you are in for 2 outcomes, right? One is profit and one is loss. These things are inevitable irrespective of your level of knowledge or experience in any of these financial markets, right? So having this in mind will help you to be able to appreciate whatever outcome you have at the end of the day. So just to make sure this video is not too lengthy, this is where I want to stop today. There are a couple of other strategies which I'm going to be sharing subsequently, which is why you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified once I drop other videos. This is where it gets more interesting. Currently, Trading Leaks is running a 100% deposit bonus on your first $50 deposit, which simply means that if you deposit $10 now, you are going to get $20, right? Making your money doubled once you make your deposit. And if you deposit $10 today, you are going to be left with $40 bonus, meaning subsequently if you make another deposit, you are still going to be getting a deposit bonus until you are able to exhaust your $50 deposit bonus. So make sure you take action once you see this video and create an account on Trading Leaks, which I'm going to provide the link in the comments below. Make your deposit to get 100% deposit bonus. I have made a video on how to deposit on Trading Leaks, so make sure you go watch this video to learn how to deposit on Trading Leaks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have been able to learn one or two things. In the comment box, I'm going to drop our WhatsApp link. Click on the link to join our Trading Leagues family, where we share strategies as well as live sessions where we trade and make money on Trading Leagues together. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, drop it in the comments below. Give me a like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.